Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code from your gallery. It's really simple and easy. Now, if you are on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and you have a QR code in your camera roll or your gallery, you can always scan that as well. I will show you two different options. One is, let's just open a web page here. I'm going for this QR code, and let's say I just want to download this QR code here. Let's tap on it. Now tap and hold on this and tap on this download image. Now it's downloaded in my gallery, as you can see here. Now you can see this is the QR code. Now here, if I want to scan it, I just have to tap on these three dots and tap on this Google Lens. And you see immediately it recognizes that that's a QR code and allows me to basically go to it. Now let's say a different option is, so let's search here, scanner, just tap on this scanner and now just go to your gallery, open this QR code and it will automatically scan your QR code like this. Tap on this OK, and as you can see it automatically scan your QR code. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.